बेसिस है फलाई रियासत का, ये बेसिस है।
मैं अगर पूरा लॉकडाउन करता हूं तो मुझे ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि इन लोगों का क्या बनेगा, ये जो 25% मेरे गरीब लोग हैं।
Pakistan had a pretty bad peak in Karachi, but now they look like Europe. Those numbers have come down. India is still sadly in a growth phase, as is lots of South America.
Heck, if we had run it as well as Pakistan ran the response, we would have saved in the neighborhood of $10 trillion.
I invite everybody to follow the example of Imran Khan of Pakistan, who has pledged to plant 10 billion trees in Pakistan alone, and he's going to.
This video is about a country that is the fastest to fight climate change. And they achieved their UN climate action goals, which calls for urgent actions to combat climate change 10 years before the deadline. It's not America, the UK, or Australia. It's Pakistan!
Many people in Afghanistan that want peace, and the fact that Pakistan is taking a more progressive and a more vocal step towards this is an appreciation.
But I believe there is a positive change in recent times. Pakistan has tried to facilitate talks between the Taliban and the United States, and also favors inter-Afghan dialogue, including between the Taliban and the government. And I think that's positive.